Hi everyone, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, I'll show you how to watch replay in Dota 2 so you can review matches, learn from mistakes, or study other players' gameplay. Step 1. Watching replays in Dota 2 is very simple. First, go to the website called DotaBuff. Once you're there, click the search bar and type in the name of the player whose match you want to watch. As an example, I'm going to check a player on the leaderboard and pick one of their recent matches. Then, I select the hero they played and click on the match I want to review. On the match details screen, you'll see a series of numbers labeled as the match ID. Highlight all those numbers, then right-click and copy them. Step 3. Now, launch Dota 2 and go to the Watch tab on the main menu. Then click on Replays to open the replay section. Step 4. In the replay menu, look for the search bar that says Search for Match IDs. Paste the code you copied earlier, hit search, and the match will appear. Click play and enjoy watching the full replay. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful Dota 2 guides and quick tips.